The VEVOR 1.1 gallon water distiller is equipped with a powerful 750-watt heating element, enabling it to efficiently produce up to 0.3 gallons per hour, making it an excellent choice for both home and professional use. With its advanced timing function, this distiller offers a 0 to 99-hour timing range, making it perfect for various applications such as alcohol and essential oil production. The intuitive control panel allows users to easily monitor and adjust the temperature settings, ensuring precise control over the distillation process. Constructed with food-grade 304 stainless steel and a durable glass carafe, this distiller promises both safety and longevity. The inclusion of user-friendly accessories such as cleaning powder and carbon packs enhances the overall ease of maintenance and improves the quality of distilled water. Its efficient heat dissipation system, featuring a built-in 4-blade aluminum fan and a sturdy condensing coil, contributes to a longer service life and consistent performance.